Welcome to Arun's Techforge Python programming series. I am Arun Barua and I welcome you to the Python programming series. So let us begin.
We are learning Python and today we will discuss about tuples. Okay, so let me actually come out of this and I will go again. Actually, I want to clear this screen. Okay, give me a minute. Let's run Python 3. So what is a tuple? A tuple is another sequence data type that is similar to a list. A tuple consists of a number of values separated by commas, and it can have any element like integers, floating point, tags. Okay, these elements can be there in the tuple. Now, what is the difference between a list and a tuple? So in the previous example of list, I have shown you how you can append a list. Similarly, you can remove element from a list also. So this behavior is called mutable. Okay. So you can add elements from the list and remove element from the list. However, you cannot append an element or delete an element from a tuple. A tuple is actually a read-only data type. So if you need a read-only data type, for example, a table where you need not edit those values, in that situation, you can use a tuple. And if you need to edit it, then you can use a list. Okay, now let me show you quickly. My list, let's declare a list equals to say car, bus, truck. Okay, that's what I declare. That's enough. Okay, my list. Okay, now my list dot append. Okay, so let's include zip there. Okay, now my list. Okay, so we have appended in this list my list dot remove. I want to remove zip from this. Okay, done. My list, now see, that is gone. Now let us declare a tuple. My tuple equals to, and we have to use this parenthesis. Okay, say car. Okay, bus. Okay, it doesn't matter if you use single quote or double quote. Okay, truck. Okay, my tuple. Now you see, you can reference it my tuple and reference its zeroth location to get the car, first location to get the bus. You can use print my tuple of 1. You can very well do like that. You can my tuple 1:3. You can do very well like this. Okay, however, you cannot append tuple. It will show you an error, my tuple.app, and the append, it will give me an error because this is immutable, right? My tuple, there's a remove. What is there? Car is there, right? We can't remove either. So a tuple data type is a read-only data type, and you can use this as a table to store your lookup values or whatever, where you need not have to edit that table. Okay, that is the end of tuple. So let me stop this video here, and in the next tutorial we will be learning dictionary. Thank you so much. Keep watching.